Very good evening, sir. My name is Shashikant, and I was given a task which is mentioned here. Task detail basically, I had to create login and sign up page, and after that there should be a product catalog and including including product title, description. Also, as you know, as you already know the task. So there is first of all, I'm really very sorry for a little bit delay in my project because actually there was also some so much workload in my office, so that's why I couldn't complete it on schedule time. So I apologize for that. But somehow I have created this assessment, basically finished it in this night, and here's some demo. So first of all, I haven't focused on basically UI part, and that's so much to beautify the things. Okay, because I had very less time, and so that's why I want focus to beautify this all the pages. But mainly I have worked on focused on for logical parts. I guess. So this assessment is totally based on one stack. Basically, frontend is developed in React.js, and for backend purpose, I have used Node.js here. So here's our login screen, and if I go in the register page, so here we'll have to provide full name, email, and password. After that, you will be signed up, and then after you will be redirected to the sign in page, so that user can just sign in with their account. Okay, sir. So first of all, let me introduce with the database schema that I have created and used in this assessment so far. So these are the basically mainly three tables that I have used, and the database name is e-store e underscore, and in the the first user detail table is the table where we store all the user information such as full name, email, password in hash form, and basically time span, current time span. So these are the only basic information about that user who have signed up. And the second one is a the product table where we are storing the product details like product title, description, image created on, and price, what will be the price of this product. And basically these all project I have fetched from Story API, and after fetching that API, I have stored that all the data in my DB, so that it will be very easy to perform the operation. Uh, and Here the product catalog table where I'm storing basically what user uh, have checked out, basically what user uh, have purchased what, how many products. There is three products that user one, the user which have ID 1 have purchased product ID which is lying on 69 and 70, as well as on the same manner it is also here we can see that the user which have user ID 2 have purchased 68 and 69 product ID numbers, as well as these also. So so that I used I created these kind of structure just to reduce the concurrencies, and yeah, they should not like this should not be the more size of the table. So that's why I use this approach in very less time. So yeah, there could be also so many ways to do these things, but in short span of time I just gone through this way. So just let's just create a new account like Sunny Sunny Dial and Sunny gmail.com 987, and we will click on sign up, and here user is registered. So as I said, sir, I haven't used any third-party libraries to beautify the projects like Toastify, Sweeteller too, but I did not have that much time, so I have just totally ignored that all the libraries, and only have created just on running functions, basically main core functionality. So as we can see here, data maybe where is the user detail table? Here it is, and if you refresh it, then here our user is stored here, and email is sunny12, and our password was 987, and we'll click the enter button, and then this kind of interface will arise in front of us. So like here the user sunny there, this is just a random image, and for logout I have just given out the logout button, and here's the API. Basically these API data I have fetched from this, basically just let me show you. Dashboard. So basically I'm getting those data from this API. So it is basically fake story API, which gives you random products with their relevant title, description, and image as well. So for the product I have used this API, and I've used this, have stored this data into my database to perform several operations, as we are going to see in this video. Okay sir, and so from the very start, as I have already introduced with my DB structure, and let's go with the logic part first. And first of all, I created basically a router for the React.js, and I have imported browser router, and I have created private router which will just redirect to your relevant pages of whatever path you are giving. Okay sir, so first of all it is just coming on home page, and on this home page basically we are trying to log in. So for login purpose, there's for input field, and I created a basically common function which is just getting the data from different elements, input elements, and as well as I'm also just setting all those values in this basically in this state, which is data, and data in itself, it's an object of email and password. So that's why I'm just destructuring this data, and this name will be com here dynamically, and value will be stored here. Okay, so this will, and in the same manner I have created for the set error. So for this kind of validation, I could also been I could have also be used like so many mirror libraries to to avoid these core functionality, to avoid this by doing such a traditional method. Okay, but I just found suitable to just go with this way. So because the field was very less, so that's why I just chosen this, because there was only email and password. That's why I just created another state to handle the errors. First of all, like in the initial state, all the status of this email and password will be false, and whenever we are going to hit the on chain handler, then it will automatically just reverse your status basically. And but the main functionality is like is our product, and if you just add these product into our cart, then here will be the total prices of all the selected items that I have selected and have pushed into our cart, and here will be the listing of all that product that I have purchased, that we have just moved into our cart. Okay, and if I just click on check in, then these products is been stored in our DB with their respective product ID, and as we can see here, product catalog. These are the basically all data that